Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video we are diving deep into CitiBank's bank rules, credit offerings, and some insider tips on how to navigate their system for the best financial benefits. Whether you are rebuilding a banking relationship or starting fresh, I have got you covered. Let's get right into it. Citibank is a global banking giant offering a range of products from basic checking accounts to complex credit solutions. Today, we will explore their offerings, focusing on how to leverage their rules to your advantage. What type of accounts do they have? Citibank offers several account types, including basic checking, savings, and more specialized accounts like the Citi Gold account for high balance customers. Each account comes with its own set of rules regarding minimum balance, fees, and benefits. So you have to check it out. I will suggest that you check if you are interested in this institution or interested in this institution. I suggest to just go to the website or just visit a branch and see all of the specifics that have every single account to see which one suits you better. One of the key rules to understand with Citibank is their minimum balance requirements. Failing to maintain a minimum balance can lead to monthly fees, vary depending on the account type and your geographical location. Citibank's fee can be waived under certain conditions, such as making one direct deposit and one bill payment per statement period, or maintain an monthly balance across eligible accounts. So that's why I'm telling you, you have to double check all of the requirements because each account has their own specifics or requirements. That way to see which one best suits you or is the best for you, because it varies in each account. Maybe you want to start with the one that require less and then go from there. It's depending your pocket or your financial situation, and you can go from there. Citibanks also offer overdraft protection services. It's crucial to opt in and understand the association fees. Their overdraft practice can be a double-edged sword, and this is for everything or every bank. I'm gonna give you this because that's the truth about it. This is a benefit. This is a good thing to have, but you also have to be aware of the risk. Why this could be a double-edged sword is because it does provide safety net while potentially leading to a cascading fees if not monitored closely. So what this mean? Basically, what I mean with this is like you have to be aware that if you opt in for this service and you go and purchase something in just maybe it could be a few cents the difference that it's gonna protect you from being declined, or it's gonna cover it for you. They're gonna charge you whatever is gonna be the fee. I don't know, it could be $29, 25 or 35, I don't know. Whatever is going to be, it doesn't matter the amount that they're gonna cover, they will charge you with that fee. So you have to think about it. Does it worth it? So sometimes I will suggest that instead of opting for the overdraft protection, just link your account to maybe a saving account or any other account that you might have money on that you can be covered in case you need it. Because sometimes maybe you are low on and let's say that you are using your debit card or something like that, and you are in whatever place you are at the moment, and you just swipe your debit card and you have, let's say, $100, but your whatever you are paying for is maybe 102 with 50 cents. Just because you got covered or the debit card went through for $102 with 50 cents, but you have available in your checking accounts $100, you won't have the embarrassing moment to not to be declined or not be able to purchase whatever you want to purchase. However, you're going to be hit with that overdraft fee. So it's going to be the overdraft fee, which, like I said, it can vary, depends of the institution, but it's going to be that fee plus whatever extra it covers. You see my point? That's what I mean. It's like you have to be, if you don't monitor closely this type of overdraft fee, it could be more hurtful than helpful. Are you finding this overview helpful? If so, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't hesitate to leave a comment below, whatever is going to be your question regarding this subject, which is Citibank, or tell me your experience with CitiBank. That I would love to read that. So remember to join my free VIP group that I host in the school platform, where I will be diving deeper into financial strategies and banking tips. So I will leave the link below. I will see you there. Citibank also comes with online and mobile banking, which is amazing. So it's well known for its robust online platform and mobile app, which allow you to manage your accounts, pay bills, and make transfer with easy. However, always ensure your internet connection is secure to avoid any security risk. And this comes with everything that if you are connected or use a Wi-Fi, just be aware. Don't just take or connect in unknown free Wi-Fi, because it could come with some security risk and you can be hacked or something like that. So we should avoid those situations. And more when it's related with your banking. If you are traveling or do business internationally, Citibank's has global presence, offering significant advantages such as easier international wire transfer and fewer fees that to using or for using ATMs abroad. Also, Citibank provides a range of credit cards options with various reward programs. While this can beneficial, also you have to understand the terms, interest rate, and potential for debt accumulation. Citibank's native currency in rewards is thank you points. You know, every bank has different point rewards, but the Citibank's one calls thank you points. Pivotal for maximize benefits across their personal banking products. Despite not offering 0% APR on business credit cards, Citibank provides compelling personal options and partnership, such as American Airlines for their Advantage cards, which earn AA miles instead of thank you points. Institution value long-term customer relationship. I always talk in my videos that it's important having relationship with the bank that you planning to bank with, because it's often beneficial to apply for credit products in branch where you can build rapport with your banker. So this is really important. I mean, it's get easier when you have a relationship. They can help you out with different products, because when you have a history with them and they check your account and everything is smooth. And if you know them personally, is even better. Having a checking account and interacting with the bank can lead to a better credit offer. Basically, you can upgrade cards if there is any possibility, or they can help you out. So that's why you have to double check with them. You have a relationship with them, sometimes they can help you out. Primarily pulled from experience for credit decision. So just be aware of this. Always double check your credit score, where you are standing before applying to any products. But be aware that they pull from experience. You have to confirm this information before. They may use Equifax for business related credit inquiries and limit increase. So you have to be aware. Just that's again, if you have a relationship, they will disclose or they will tell you all of this information. Just ask before you apply. That way you can go from there and you can make better decisions. Another good features or benefit that Citibank has is like they offer virtual credit cards number to enhance security. That way you don't have to display, or you don't have to put your credit card number. Basically, that won't be the card per se. You don't have to change your or cancel your credit card just because. You just have to cancel that virtual number and go from there. So this is especially helpful for online transaction and managing subscriptions. Bank's application rules you should know. The 1/8 rule, you can apply for one Citibank personal card every 8 days. This is good, but you have to be aware. Don't get crazy with this kind of rule, because that's mean that they aware of your credit history. So just don't apply. Just be strategic. There is another rule that is the 265. which you are limited to two personal card application every 65 days. There is another rule that is 195 rule that basically is for business cards. The rule is one application every 95 days. And there is the 66 rule, which basically expect a denial if you have six or more hard inquiries on your credit report for the past 6 months. So you have to be aware. That's what I told you at the beginning. Is like you need to be aware of your credit report and your credit score, your credit history. So be strategic. Citibank conduct both soft and hard inquiries for credit limit increase, which can be initiated via the app or by calling a representative. Good spending behavior can lead you to an automatic credit limit increase every 91 days. So just be aware of that. That way you don't have to request it. Trigger a soft or hard increase depending what is the case. Although you might have an automatic credit limit increase, is typically advised to wait 6 months between requests. So it's like I said before, don't get crazy requesting these every certain period of time. Also, you have to be aware that when you request a credit limit increase, you have to be aware that they're gonna see your history. They're gonna see if you really need it. I always put this as an example. Now, basically, if you have a 5,000 credit limit credit card, but you usually spend in a monthly basis less than 1,000, they won't give you more credit limit just because they need to see that you need more. So you have to spend the full amount, pay it back, because they're gonna see a good behavior with you being responsible, spending and paying back, and all of those things. And that's what is gonna trigger for them to approve more credit limit. Citibank also provides spending bonuses throughout the ownership of credit card, similar to Amex. However, these are target and require you to check in with Citibank to see if you are eligible to. Now let's talk some pros and cons about banking with Citibank. On the pro side, they have a wide range of products from basic banking to complex investment services. They also have global presence, convenient for travelers, international transactions, advanced digital services, basically leading age technology for online and mobile banking. They also offer extensive reward options, especially with their thank you points and the American airline partnership. They have advanced security features like virtual credit card numbers, and they also strong relationship benefit, which basically personal interaction in branches can lead to a better offer and higher credit limits. On the other side, the cons are fee structure. The fee structure can be complex and potentially expensive without proper management. You have to be really cautious and really detail oriented and pay attention to these kind of details because it can add up. On the customer service side, mixed review can mean some customer might not receive the level of service they expected, which is not good. They also have high requirements. Some premium benefits require maintaining high account balances or investment portfolio. Another cons is the complex application rule, so which can be restrictive and confusing without proper understanding. Another one is in flexibility with credit limits, so unable to move limits between cards. So now navigating these rules effectively means staying informed about your specific account details and always reading the fine print, especially when it comes to potential fees and service. That is everything for today's deep dive into Citibank's rules. Thank you for watching, and remember, being informed is your best tool when it comes to banking. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join my free VIP group for more in-depth discussion and tips. Keep managing your finance wisely, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.